Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essential tools and then open the lid assembly. You remove the outer cap by twisting while holding the spout. If tight, use a soft cloth to increase grip. Once the cap tilts, pry gently at the retention tabs with a flat tool to separate the top ring. Make sure to orient the lid so you remember how pieces stack. This prevents confusion when reassembling and protects seals from damage. Next, you detach the internal parts that control flow. You lift the silicone gasket straight up and work the valve housing out by rotating slightly to clear tabs. This releases any retained spring or small washer. Once free, set each component in sequence so their order is preserved. Make sure to check each O-ring and seal for nicks or compression set. Replacing those prevents leaks and restores proper pressure balance when you put the lid back together. Finally, you reassemble by reversing the steps and aligning every tab and groove. You press the valve housing into its seat until it snaps, then fit the silicone gasket and outer cap. Rotate to confirm secure engagement. Once done, test with water and look for leaks or misalignment. If you see seepage or hear pressure loss, make sure the O-ring is seated correctly and the valve housing is even. Swap the worn seal if necessary to restore a tight, leak-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.